The taller I become, the further you take my rights away. The faster I will run. You can't deny me, you can't decide to turn.
That was a very beautiful song. Thank you so much for all of you guys being here today. And hello to our little queen. Hello to our little queen over there. I think one thing that I noticed when I went up to her is the importance of consent. So my apologies to you as her mother. So thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much to the province for welcoming me back home. I think it's finally hitting me that I'm in South Africa because I've stepped back onto home soil. When I woke up this morning, I just thought about how my grandmother and my grandfather are very proud of me, and we are products of this beautiful land. As a province, we're doing a lot, and congratulations to Master Keiji and all the other representatives of Limpopo, and I am very proud to stand here as one of them. When I won Miss South Africa, I said that it took an entire village to get me here, and I really, really meant it. When I entered Miss South Africa, I entered and I said, what do I have to lose? Those that had everything to gain. From the first moment that I entered to the first moment that I made it to the top 35, I was receiving messages of support from the ABC, from the department, and I stand here today saying the crown is back home, and we have done it. I didn't do it alone, I did it with you all, and I thank you so much for being my village. I thank you so much for supporting me throughout this journey, and I'm so happy that we're here celebrating together, and we're celebrating this entire weekend as a province. I know that I am, you call me South African Queen, but I'll always be a child of Limpopo. And I'm very proud to be from here. I'm very proud to be a representative of so many little girls that have big dreams and do not limit themselves because we are very from Limpopo, because Limpopo produces so much beauty, so much substance, I believe. I grew up here, and I think this is where I can say my dreams were real. I used to sit in front of my grandfather's TV, watch pageants like from South Africa, and I didn't understand why dreams were big. And that's because my grandparents, in as much as they didn't have much, they allowed me to dream anyway, because they knew the power of possibility, the power of prayer, the power of just believing in yourself. So they always just let me be myself, they let me dream, and today I stand here because God always changes the narrative, and I approve of that. Thank you so much for all of you guys being here, and as I stand here and I see the premier here, thank you for your presence, and I see the executive mayors and the various councillors and UNDC. I see it as a commitment towards my cause for change, my cause of mental health. It is something that, especially in rural communities, is a taboo conversation. We often engage with it not to rehabilitate our society, but rather to shame. And I believe that it's time for that to change. And it starts with us as representatives of people in the public, on this public platform, to bring about the change, to talk about these things. I mean, if you as ABC, or you as the Premier, or you as the Mayor, or various councillors speak out on these issues, especially me as well as in South Africa, people will listen, because that is the power of having platforms like these. So working together as a collective, working together as a province, I believe that we can bring about change. This is not about me being a representative of the country, this is about Limpopo being a representative of South Africa. And I think it is time that we stand together and we show the world what we're made of. We are a rural province, but we've got great dreams, we've got a lot of substance, and I'm very proud, and I get goosebumps as I say that because it is true. We are kings, we are queens. And I see our little queen over there, and you're going to stand here one day, and you're going to have your own message, and you're going to stand here and show people what you're made of. You're a queen, and this is our time. So thank you so much for welcoming me back home. I stand here with so much pride. I know that you have pride in me, but I have so much pride being from Limpopo. I stood up on that stage proudly representing this province, proudly representing our people. And I'm so proud to stand here in front of you and say we have done it. Thank you so much for your support, and I know that we'll continue to work together as a collective to bring about change and show the world what we are here. And really,